video, we will be showing you how to make a record book. The record book can help you document your growth over the past year, both in and out of 4-H. Some items you will need when you are creating a record book are a binder, paper, plastic sleeves, dividers, scissors, a writing utensil, adhesive material, and some creative flair, including stickers and colors. Some important parts you need to include in your record book is a cover, the nomination form, all about me, voice of the parent, 4-H year in review, non-4-H year in review, 4-H projects year in review, service projects, demonstrations, 4-H trips, which is optional, other 4-H activities, which is optional, and your fair projects. During the creation of your book, there are a couple of features you should think of adding to make your book more interesting. This includes items like pictures, captions, visuals of activities, and flair. You can attach your paper to your binder a couple of different ways. You can either punch holes in your paper, or you can put them in plastic sleeves. You can organize your record book in a couple of different ways as well. You can organize it by category or month by month. But however you do it, you need to make sure you add something so the reader knows how you organized it. If you're confused about anything, you can ask your parents, a fellow club member, the extension office, your club's officer team, or your club leader. Hopefully by the time you have watched this video, you have learned how to not fall asleep, and possibly how to make a record book.